Hi guys, I'm back. Did you still remember me? Okay, we made a character just like a dummy with my friend. His name, do you remember? It's I Love Bacon. Yeah, that's us. This is we made account. Look, where is it? Come here, come here. Come.
Look behind you in there.
This is him. I cannot see him. Bruh, it's realistic, right? Look at his head. But it's nothing I can do. We're gonna grind this account and before so we can now make another account. Go make a blows. Go, 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 go.
Hey, that's all.
Kill this. Nice. Kill that fish. That's him.
How did you not see me?
Guys, this is my friend. We made the account just like that. We made the account 2 weeks together. Only fish is gonna work in here. Oh, only fish. Let me try this. This is not working. What? What the? This
Let's
is.
get Terraformer V2! Let's get Terraformer V2!
I will help him to get the teleporters or something. This.
Terraformer!
Yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. We're gonna beat that. I will help him beat
I
that.
also did boots to get the Terraformer V2.
If I will help him kill that.
Get the boots first.
I will if this low kill this, okay? Go, 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 go. I can do this. If he's low, he's gonna kill now, okay? He's low! Now, he's low now. Kill that, the Nolan. Olan, I mean. Oh, he's stronger. He's gonna heal. Go faster. Oh my god, I'm gonna die, guys. I have to heal. I die! That's impossible. I will back in there. Yeah, I will back in there. I had so many blows. How did I die? How did I die? I will go back. Ow.
You know, they had like 3,000 blows.
Go kill him now. He's low. Where are you, Olan?
I'm coming.
He's just one hitting everyone. It's not moving. Look. And his grass armor is gone. Look. What? Did you die? Just be careful next time. He's low. Probably low. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. Sorry guys. He's gonna die. He's gonna die. I almost died in there. Where are you? Guys, he's so slow. I will go there to him. I think this is gonna low. Guys, comment is this gonna low if I got out. Oh my god, this is strong. Oh, die! I die! Go faster. Be careful next time, Olan. This is hard. This is kinda hard. Right?
Ah!
Now I will help you. Where are you now?
We need the thing, right? We need the sword thing. It's the
Later, that's 1,000. No, it's slow now. Go. It's slow now. Okay, I will kill it. Just watch. I will kill it. Just don't kill him. I will kill that person. I'm not gonna kill this first. If you're not here. Hey, come here, John Orlan. It's almost. No, you cannot go in here if you're not here. This is kinda hard, right, guys? I almost die. My friend is so slow. Oh my god. Yes, I will kill that. Run! I will kill that. Yeah, get now. Easy, easy, easy. That was easy. Oh, sorry guys. This is the quest giver. Go, go, go. I will reset, okay?
You don't there's a literal thing to get back.
Oh my god. So many Stony here, dami.
I'm getting the first.
Yeah, he died all of them. Sorry guys. This little boy is so hard.
How long is the video?
It's 7.
7 what?
7. What? I will restart this first, guys. Okay.
Start it.
Okay, in 8 or 8:30 video, I think.
Restart na.
Where? What bullying? What flower should you pick? Did you pick the first flower?
I got the second flower.
The 3, that one, the big. Use the boots. Boot gets the boots. Oh my god, I cannot go upstairs. I'm here in upstairs, guys. I'm still waiting him. I will glue this tree down.
It doesn't work for you.
Oh guys. Oh, that's almost.
Okay, let's go back.
I will reset the video, okay? Part 2.
No, not part 2. Let's go.
Alright, okay. Look at the video almost done. If this 9 is gonna stop. John Orlan.
Let's go now.
Orlan.
Defeat it.
Orlan.
We just defeated the rain dummy.
If this, it's done now. It's 9. How? What is gonna happen?
Let's go defeat the rain dummy.
That was fast. Okay, guys. See you later. Next video.